Well, let's get your weather impact alert forecast from Chief Meteorologist Chris Holcomb. Chris, we continue to watch the weather impact alert because of that severe weather threat. What do people need to know right now?
I want everybody to be weather aware heading into the weekend. This is one of those situations where this is really one of the highest risks that we have had in a long time as we're tracking these storms that will cause a tornado outbreak for our neighbors over in Alabama and Mississippi. And then when it moves into our area, it may not be as strong as Alabama and Mississippi, but it is still going to be strong for us. Here is the system now that's getting its act together. You can see the counterclockwise flow right here. That is the area of low pressure. We've got a front along with it. And look at all these severe storms that are lining up there throughout parts of Missouri, moving up into parts of Iowa as well. This is all going to be pushing our way, and more of these storms are going to be developing along that front too. Here is that high risk, which is a rare level 5 of 5 risk for those storms that you see right here in Mississippi and Alabama. Surrounding that is the level 4 of 5 risk. Earlier this morning when Chesley was with you, he was showing you this, how the level 4 risk stopped at the Georgia-Alabama line. Well, this afternoon, the Storm Prediction Center extended that level 4 risk to include parts of West Georgia coming up to just west of Atlanta. And then the level 3 risk is from Atlanta eastward, then a level 2 risk over into parts of East Georgia. And what that means is we have a good likelihood of not only having heavy rain, but also some damaging wind and even the likelihood of tornadoes here too. But it's not going to happen until late on Saturday. You can see during the day, most of us are going to be dry. We'll have that mix of sun and cloud starting at 58 in the morning, getting up to 80 degrees in the afternoon. That would be the warmest air that we've had so far this year, and that warm air is just going to feed the atmosphere with instability as those storms are arriving later in the nighttime hours. So tonight, we have a quiet night ahead, and in the morning, the models have been going back and forth on maybe some showers developing in northwest Georgia. They've scaled back on that right now, but then through the day, still dry at noon. In the afternoon hours, it is still dry. And then it's the evening when we watch this line of storms coming in, approaching West Georgia at 8 o'clock tonight, moving into northwest and West Georgia between 9, 10, and 11. And then this line, that's what's going to have that heaviest rain with it and those strong winds and the potential for tornadoes. That is going to sweep through the metro area between 11 o'clock Saturday night and around 2 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. Once we get past 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, the back edge of those storms will be to the east of us by 5. It's pretty much already east of Athens and Eatonton, moving over toward Augusta. By 7 in the morning, it's all gone. So really, most of the daytime hours here on Sunday are going to be fine. It's just those overnight hours when things are going to be tricky with those storms rolling through. And that's when we have that weather impact alert in effect late Saturday, overnight into early Sunday, clearing out though later on Sunday. Monday is kind of cool, mostly sunny and 66. Back to the mid-70s Tuesday and Wednesday. Another front on Thursday with just a few showers that drops those temperatures back down to the 60s here for the end of the week. Here's a look at your weather wow moment. This is from Sandra Batley. Beautiful view this morning at Lake Lanier as the sun was coming up over that beautiful water there. Thanks, Sandra, for sharing that with us. Sandra is part of our 11 Alive Weather Impact team on Facebook. We would love for you to join us when you're on Facebook. Just search for 11 Alive Weather Impact Team. Ask to become a member of our group and answer the membership questions, and you can join us. Another reminder for you to help you prepare for this potentially dangerous weather this weekend. We will have around-the-clock weather coverage on 11 Alive Plus. I and our Weather Impact team will be streaming Saturday night at 9 o'clock into Sunday morning as the storms move through. We will also break into programming here on 11 Alive when necessary. Watch, stay informed, and stay safe with 11 Alive Plus. Download it on your TV and watch for free.
Chris, thank you.